Hi everyone. In this video I'll explain FFT using this flowchart. FFT stands for Fast Fourier Transform. It is used to convert a signal from the time domain into the frequency domain, which means it helps us see what frequencies exist in the signal. First, we take the input signal. Then we check the sample size. If needed, we pad the signal so its length becomes a power of 2. After that, we create real and imaginary arrays. Then the data is reordered using bit reversal. Next comes the main FFT calculation, called the Cooley-Tukey butterfly stages. Once that is done, we compute the magnitude spectrum to see how strong each frequency is. Then we convert FFT bins into actual frequency values in Hertz. In this example, we then filter the train vibration frequency band so that only the useful range remains. Finally, we get the output FFT spectrum. So overall, FFT is a fast way to break a signal into its frequency components and understand its behavior. Thanks for watching.